In the discussion below, we shall take you through some of the major mysteries of our world and, through this discussion, talk about the Bermuda Triangle. One of the great mysteries, our planet is shrouded in mystery, suspicion, even fascination. It can be found in the western part of the North Atlantic Ocean. The region is roughly bounded by Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico. So, what is the mystery of this region? According to the report, hundreds of ships and aircraft have mysteriously disappeared there. Whatever the paranormal or whatever kind of a natural phenomenon mistaken by the human mind, let's establish a difference between fact and theory for better understanding of the mystery. The Bermuda Triangle sometimes is referred to as the Devil's Triangle and spans approximately area of 500,000 square miles. Its definition is somewhat vague, depending on whom you ask, but the most widely accepted boundary is a triangle with the three vertices above. This patch of sea where, since the 15th century when even Christopher Columbus reported strange compass readings and sightings of other inexplicable lights in the sky. Some of the more apocryphal incidents fuel the Bermuda Triangle legend. Flight 19, 1945, 5 U.S. Navy bombers disappeared off of radar and beyond the range of each other on a training exercise over the triangle. No aircraft or any remains of the crew were ever found, and no kind of search and rescue operation was ever launched. USS Cyclops, 1918. This sea monster of the U.S. Navy ship that carries aboard over 300 people disappears within the triangle without issuance of any distress call and without its wreckage ever surfacing. Ellen Austin. She supposedly sees a ghost ship in the triangle which vanishes when she sends a crew over to inspect it. While those stories are, in some ways, rather chilling, let's take a look at some statistics. Incidents happen within the Bermuda Triangle no more often than anywhere else on this very heavily traveled world, says the U.S. Coast Guard. Therefore, most of these disappearances can be accounted for by pretty normal explanations rather than paranormal activities. Now that we've talked about why the planes disappeared, there are two camps: natural theories and supernatural theories. Natural theories. Human mistake. Many experts argue that high incidence in Bermuda Triangle can be ascribed to human mistake. It is a very busy area for both air and sea traffic, and navigational mistakes may often lead to accidents. Methane gas hydrates. Now, here's another scientific theory. Hydrates of methane lie beneath the seabed. At any point of time, the gas bubbles may well rise up and light up the water, sinking the vessels in a moment. But that seldom happens in the triangle. Rogue waves. Other theories are rogue waves, very tall, unexpected ocean waves that can reach the height of 100 feet. Such waves may pretty easily capsize ships and even pull down aircraft flying low over water. Supernatural theories. Alien abductions. Bermuda Triangle. In his chapter, Alien Abductions, can explain part of some disappearances in the Bermuda Triangle. According to the author, it is because the beings of aliens are the responsible party for accidents and disappearances that happen in the Bermuda Triangle. Atlantis. However, the most interesting of those would be that it is believed that there is this mythical city Atlantis, now reportedly hiding somewhere under the Bermuda Triangle. The activity of energetic crystals powers it, and it throws off the navigational systems of ships and planes. They get lost in space. Time warps. More dramatically, people say that the Bermuda Triangle is some sort of time warp or dimensional portal through which objects and people get sucked into another dimension. Such theories are quite heavy with paranormal, but they have very little scientific evidence for them. Examples: most of the incidents assigned to the Bermuda Triangle have since been proved to be untrue. Even after the disappearance of Flight 19, weather conditions began to develop which showed a heavy storm had swept that area. In other cases, remains from some lost vessels surfaced elsewhere and dispelled their disappearance theories. It also offers some strange magnetic anomalies that have completely bewildered the mariners. In some areas of the triangle, there are some places where the true north clashes with the magnetic north, and this is what typically misleads the compass as well. Although it was indeed such an excellent deal in the initial stages when the devices meant for navigation were not so advanced, technology has now overcome this anomaly largely. Is the Bermuda Triangle then such an abject paranormal hotbed? Most incidents seem explainable by a rather simple natural phenomenon or even human error based on what is known to exist. Mystery lives on, of course, in part because of legends surrounding the phenomenon and because so many cases remain without concrete explanations. Conclusion: to cut a long story short, maybe the Bermuda Triangle isn't quite that mysterious or evil stuff after all that most of us have been led to believe. But as far as the science, mystery, disappearance, and the power of something unknown, it will always be pretty fascinatingly full of mystery. What do you guys think? Alright, is that somehow logical or just mystically hanging around? Let me know in the comments below.